On a major renovation, a project manager can mean the difference between a smooth job and absolute chaos.
Today, we're breaking down what a project manager actually does and why it matters more than most people realize. Let's dive right in.
First and foremost, they manage the schedule.
Renovations are not one contractor, they're dozens.
Framing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, drywall, tile, flooring, paint, everything has to happen in the right order.
If just one trade gets delayed, it can affect the next 5.
The PM's job is to keep the dominoes from falling.
Number 2, they solve problems before you see them. And every renovation has problems.
Every single one.
Hidden plumbing, structural surprises, design conflicts, delayed materials, you name it.
A good PM catches issues early and solves them before they become expensive emergencies.
You do not want surprises discovered the day that tile is supposed to get installed. Number 3, they coordinate with architects, engineers, and the town.
Your contractor is not working alone.
There's the architect, engineer, expediter, inspectors, and oftentimes even the building department.
A project manager is there to keep everyone aligned.
That means fewer delays, fewer miscommunications, and fewer, wait, who approved this?
Number 4, they manage the budget and change orders.
This one matters a lot.
A PM will track scope changes, selections, allowances, and cost impacts.
If you upgrade tile, move plumbing, or decide to add built-ins,
someone needs to explain what each thing does to cost,
and that someone should not be surprise invoice guy. Number 5, they handle client communication.
One of the biggest stress points in construction is not knowing what's going on.
Who's coming tomorrow? Why is nobody here today? When are the cabinets arriving?
It's so unfortunate, so unnecessary.
Number 6, a project manager is not just managing speed, they're managing quality.
Checking framing details, reviewing finished work, catching mistakes early.
Because fixing bad work later is always more expensive than doing it right the first time. Number 7, what happens without a project manager?
Without real project management, jobs will get reactive.
Missed details, delays, confusion, budget creep.
Everyone's working, but no one's steering the ship.
A great renovation doesn't happen because people work hard.
It happens because someone is managing all the moving parts.
If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out tremendously. And drop your questions in the comments below. Check out our other construction videos. We'll see you next time.
All right.